Hi guys, back again with another video. Now this video is going to be unboxing and what to expect video for the MI beard trimmer. Now this one has an IPX7 washable body, so you can actually put it under the tap, put it in a bucket of water and nothing should happen to it. Now let's go ahead, open it up and see what all do we get in this. Now let's look at the box itself. Now the box is classic MI branding, MI style box with white, orange and black in it. So nothing different. Now the same paper stickers have been put in, so in case someone tries to open it up, they cannot put it back again. So let's open it up. Now the price on this says 1,499, but you can actually get it for 1,299 from the MI store. So let's open this up. Okay, so that's what you get in the box. So you get the trimmer itself, a carrying pouch, charging cable. Now the charging cable is different. It's not like a micro USB or type C kind of a thing. It's a different one, so do not lose this. Now this one charges with a regular 5-volt any of the power banks, or maybe your regular chargers. You can use any of them, or even connect it to a computer and charge it. Now you get an extra comb, so this is going to be a longer one. The one on this is the shorter one. We'll be talking about that later on. You get this brush to clean the insides so that the hair can be removed after you've done the trimming. And then you get this owner's manual. Let me just see what all does it say. Okay, so let's take a closer look at the technical specification over here. Now this is a 3-watt trimmer. Now the input voltage is 5 volt 2 amps, so you can use your regular fast charging ones which you get with your MI devices, or your Samsung ones. They all support 5 volt 2 amps. You can even connect it to a computer and charge it. Now do not connect the cable that comes with a Philips one. They also have a similar kind of a head. Do not try to force that into it because the voltage on that is different. Now other than that, the charging time, it takes 120 minutes to charge it completely, and after a full charge it will work for 90 minutes. Now you get a total of 40 lengths, so basically there are 20 settings here, then 2 combs. So now you have 10, 10 and 20, so you have 40 settings over there, so that's good. Now this is IPX7 rated, so you can actually wash it and nothing will happen to it. Other than that, everything else is regular. Okay, so now let's take a look at the trimmer itself. Now this is completely made of plastic. It's very strong. It gives you a premium look. Even while you're looking at it right now, you will see that it's very sturdy, very premium. Now you have a regular power port over here. Other than that, there are no other input ports. You have 2 buttons, basically 1 button and 1 knob. So this is the power button. You press it once, it starts. Press it again, it stops. Now there's a special function in it, so in case you're traveling, you don't want it to accidentally switch on, keep this pressed for 3 seconds. Then the light will blink over here, and that's it, it's locked. Now you can press it how many ever times, it will not start. Now if you want to start it back again, you have to keep it pressed again for 3 seconds and it'll start again. So that's the only function available here: on, off and lock. So other than that, no other functions here. Now this is the knob which you use to raise this comb. According to what setting you want, you can use this. Now in case you want a longer one, this is the longer one, so this is the shorter one, so you can change it according to whatever setting you want. So you'll actually learn more about this as you use it. Now I've seen a lot of people talk about the hair getting stuck over here, so you'll end up removing this every time. So I'll be testing it and then I'll let you know if that's the case for me. But I think this is pretty good. Yes, the hair will get stuck over here because there's not much of space here, but that's okay. It's pretty easy to remove it. Just pull it out like this and it's done. You can use it like this also, but the blades are stainless steel and very sharp, so just be careful while you're using it without a comb. That might hurt you. Now after you use it, you have to remove this, clean it over here, and you have to open this up also. There's an open thing written over here. You have to press it in front like that and it opens up. Now the hair gets collected over here also, so you will have to use this brush to clean it out. So all in all, good. The Build quality is excellent. This is exactly, I can't say exactly, or I mean, it's similar to the Philips one that I already have. So the entire design is same, opening over here and the combs and everything. Just that the setting over here, instead of room turning here, the Philips one has like this. So I'll show you that later on. So let's put it back, and it's easy to put it back also. Just put it there, press it in, and it's done. Take this, align it, and rotate this. That's it. It's so easy. So I can put a charging cable like that and connect this to any power source. Now in case I'm traveling and I do not have a power source there, I can just connect a power bank. So I can connect a power bank and then trim, use it however, whatever I want to do, I can do it. I do not even need this to be charged. So I'll just put this and then use it. Now they have a special feature in this in case you're in an emergency and you want to trim. So normally 10 minutes is good enough for you. So what you do is you put this for charging for 5 minutes and it will trim, it'll give you a 10 minutes trim time. So it's got that kind of a fast charging thing in it. So that's also a good option. So that's basically it. I'll have to use it to actually tell you more about it. I'll make a second video for that. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe with the like button and do comment, and I'll see you again with another video. Bye bye.